Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I will show you powerful dry battery and testing of this dry battery. Here you can see that there is dry battery and there is the terminal of this battery. Here you can see that positive terminal of this battery and there is negative terminal of this battery. And there is heat sink. In next project I will install LED light, cob light on this battery. So don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for my next project notification. Now let's time for testing. There is cob light. Here you can see that power of this battery. This battery not fully charged, so here you can see that. So that's all about from my this video. Here you can see that battery of power and testing of this battery. So don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon. Have a great day.